This is the easiest no-bake Yema Cake recipe. You have to try it. 3 eggs. Separate the egg yolks. Tell me where you are watching from so that I can give you a shout out. Set aside. Combine 1 cup water with the egg whites. We will need Vivo whipping cream to make the best moist white cake. You can buy this from baking supplies stores and Shappy. This whipping cream is my favorite for cakes and pastries. Have you also tried Vivo whipping cream? Comment your favorite recipe using Vivo and I will send a heart. 1 cup Vivo whipping cream. 2 tablespoons oil. 500 grams pancake mix. Mix until no lumps. So smooth and creamy. Fill 1/3 of the cup with the batter. This recipe makes 18 cakes in a cup. Place a metal stick inside a large frying pan and heat it for 5 minutes. Cook on medium-low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Perfectly cooked. 740 milliliters evaporated milk. 1 cup Vivo whipping cream. 390 grams condensed milk. 3 egg yolks. 3 tablespoons flour. A half teaspoon salt. Cook on medium heat until thick. Butter. Pour immediately on top of cakes.
pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.